So in this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Sony WH-CH720N headphones. So the first step in order for you to factory reset these headphones is to ensure that they're connected to the Sony Sound Connect app on your phone. From here, you're then going to scroll and select the option Device Settings, and then you want to switch to System. Under System, I want you to scroll down until you find Initialize Settings, tap on it. The next step in order for you to factory reset these headphones is to simply select Initialize Headphones to default state. Once you've done that, it will give you a list of settings that it will take back to default. This includes all the customizations that you've made, as well as the devices it's been previously connected to. So go ahead and tap on Initialize and then confirm your choice. And once you've done that, it means that you've successfully factory reset these headphones. So you can go ahead and reconnect them to any other devices, or you can just leave them as is. And so that is how you can factory reset these Sony WH-CH720N headphones. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.